Okay, hello my friends, Rick Billings here. Hey, I want to show you a pretty cool shortcut. I'm on my iPhone, I'm going to hit settings, and you can do this on the Android too. You just might have to Google it there. And on settings, I'm going to go to general, and under general, I'm going to hit keyboard towards the bottom here, and I'm going to hit text replacement. You know, it's so often that we're communicating with people on Facebook. Somebody adds us as a friend. I get that all the time. And I usually send a message back that says, hi, so-and-so, thanks for adding me. It's nice to meet you. Well, I've created a little shortcut for that called TADD, okay? And because I have a Mac laptop, a PowerBook, my iPhone syncs with my laptop and my iPad, so anywhere I type that shortcut, it will default and put that text there, okay? And so you can set up a whole series of shortcuts in there. So for example, I'm on the PC, I'm on the laptop now, TADD, and you can see it pops up right there. Click on it, and I can then take and put my cursor in front of there and say, you know, type their first name. Hey, Arjun, hi Arjun, thanks for having me on Facebook. It's nice to meet you. And I'm just using this as an example here. So you can have a whole series of responses that you have. Somebody says, what do you do? Okay, I have one, you know, that is, what do you do? What do you do? So it's WDYD for me, and it comes up, and here's what it is. Okay, and so hello, and I usually put their first name in there. And I have this whole phrase that I would put on there, and I would just tell them what I did. So anyway, I just wanted to jump on here and show you this because it's really amazing. You can have a whole series of shortcuts that have a consistent response to people. And obviously, if you're on your phone, you just type that little shortcut on your phone, if you're messaging people, if you're on Facebook or whatever, and it puts that phrase there, okay? And then you can be consistent in your messaging with people. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up or share it with somebody else. And we'll talk to you again. Thanks. Bye.